This is going to be a self-compassion meditation for beginners. If you want to learn more about compassion, there's a link below the video, another video from the same playlist of what is compassion. But for now, let's practice. You can close your eyes and find your comfortable meditation posture. I recommend sitting upright, bringing some energy to the body, some alertness, while at the same time relaxing the muscles. So letting the shoulders fall away from the ears, allowing the belly to be soft. And anytime we work with the heart practices and meditation, I think it can be helpful to touch this intention of kindness right from the beginning. So as you settle here right now and arrive, doing so with some kindness and gentleness, not straining or stressing or pushing too hard, just kind of gently and softly arriving into your present time experience. And for self-compassion, you could bring to mind a way in which you're suffering specifically or in general. And when I say suffering, I mean it in the Buddhist sense, some anxiety, or maybe you're struggling with guilt or sadness, grief, anger, hurt. Whatever comes to mind, a way in which you've experienced some dis-ease recently. And our tendency is often to push these difficult emotions away. We distract ourselves. We overanalyze so we don't have to actually feel. We judge ourselves. And self-compassion, on the other hand, is turning towards this suffering, actually facing it with a tenderness and care, holding the pain in ourselves in loving arms. So with this intention of cultivating some self-compassion, you can offer yourself some phrases silently in your head. May I care for this suffering, or anxiety, or anger, or whatever it may be. May I care for this suffering. May I be present for this suffering. May I have compassion. It's okay if you don't feel an emotion of compassion. We're just orienting ourselves toward an open heart. May I care for this suffering. May I be present for the suffering. May I have compassion. When the mind wanders, no matter where it goes, just leaving that thought and coming back to the intention of compassion, of being with the struggle or difficulty. You might imagine how you would respond if a loved one or a child or a pet we're struggling. With this tenderness and presence and care, may I care for this suffering. May I be present for the suffering. May I have compassion. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.